Alright. So, I just woke up, and I didn't know these radios were on. I thought I turned them off last night. This one I really thought was off, but apparently it wasn't. I forgot to turn them off last night. So, that was KXI95 for their weekly required test. As you see, he just read off the counties. So, actually, this is the first time I've ever seen this radio go off for the weekly required test. So, that was KEC, or KXI95. So now I'm just waiting for, hold on. I'm just now waiting for WNG 706. Like, literally, I was just sitting, I just woke up. I was actually gonna change TV. But, not even, what time is it? It's 11:09. So, not even 10 minutes after 11. Actually, it was probably about 11:07 when it went off. So, not even 7 minutes after 11. KXI95 does theirs. So now I'm just waiting on WNG 706. Here we go.
This is a test of the weather radio's warning device. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers are automatically activated to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of these receivers are normally conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. Reception of this program and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. Variability becomes more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter. To provide the most consistent warning service possible, the warning alarm will be activated for warning selected watches and other environmental emergencies affecting the following North Carolina counties: Alamance, Alexander, Allegheny, Anson, Berkeley, Cabarrus, Caswell, Chatham, Davidson, Davie, Durham, Edgecombe, Forsyth, Franklin, Granville, Greene, Guilford, Halifax, Harnett, Hoke, Ardell, Johnson, Lee, Martin, Montgomery, Moore, Nash, Northampton, Orange, Person, Pitt, Randolph, Richmond, Rockingham, Rouen, Scotland, Stanley, Stokes, Surrey, Union, Vance, Wake, Warren, Wayne, Wilkes, Wilson, and Yadkin. The warning alarm will also be activated for the following counties in South Carolina: Chesterfield and Marlborough, and the following counties in Virginia: Brunswick, Carroll, Grayson, Henry, Mecklenburg, Patrick, and Pennsylvania. This includes the independent cities of Galax, Martinsville, and Danville. Repeating, the National Weather Service has just activated the public alarm tone in a test of the weather radio's warning alarm system. The current time is 11:33 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
And there we go.
Air quality forecast